How you going, guys? Michael here, Tech Dude. Today I'm just going to show you quickly how to install a hard disk drive, a solid state drive, whether they be 3.5 inch, 2.5 inch from a laptop, whatever. It's all fairly similar, and the process is fairly similar. I mean, a laptop would be, it's pretty much just slide them in, click them in, put a cover back on, but desktop's a bit more complex. But yeah, let's get going. So I'm just going to stick this, it's only a 160 gig drive, it's a spare one I've got lying around. I'm going to stick it in here somewhere, and yeah. So first thing you obviously need to do is you need a drive. You obviously need a data cable to go from the drive to the motherboard. A few little tools, you know, my little screwdriver or something like that, and obviously your computer. So you're going to need to get the sides off in that. I've already got a 1 terabyte drive in here, handling most of my other applications. There's an SSD at the back which handles the operating system of Windows. And what I'm going to do is just get another one in here. So a lot of these days come with little drive trays you can take out, and these just pretty much just pop into these holes here, and we'll hold them in. I could put it in like that, but it doesn't hurt to put a few screws in the bottom, sorry, to hold it in. Look, so everything on camera's harder. So yeah, we'll stick one at the bottom there, put another one over here. There is 4 holes, I'll put 4 in for the hell of it. Yeah, just ties that in there nicely. You'll obviously need to expose the back side as well, get the panels off of your desktop or whatever you're installing it on, into, I should say. And you need to find power, SATA power and that. So, yeah, so that's that done. So 4 screws in there. That's the little carrier case. A lot of these come with. There's one here. There is another one at the bottom here, but that's where I shove all the unwanted stuff. And it's just a case of simply just clicking this in. And then the rest is on the back side. So over here, we'll just wiggle this around here a little bit. Bit hard to see here. Oh. So we got a hard drive. We got a 1 terabyte one. Oh, where are we? Here and underneath, you got the little 160 gig one. You're going to need to find power, so you're going to need to find a SATA cable. Make sure you get that little L bracket the right way, and it's just a case of clicking that in the bottom here. Oh, can you see that? Oh. Oh, let me pop this here. You can see that. Case of, is that in? Yeah, that's in. You got your old Molex plugs, which are for your older drives and that, which you still can use, I suppose, if you want, but they're not really used much these days. It's a case of just plugging that power in, and then the next part of it is obviously your data cable. So I'll wiggle this, and it's just a case of really feeding it through where you want it to sort of go. I'm getting this down here and clicking that into the bottom here. Don't know if you can see that too well. This bottom bit here. Ooh, there we are. And that'll click in there nicely. And then you start shoving everything back in. I'll get the back cover on later. Oh, back around here. So, oh, we actually have focus. So this is a cable here that we're going to be clicking in, and you should have some spare. Oh, where are we? Some spare SATA ports, SATA 3 ports here for the communication, and pretty much pick one. Give it a hold. Just hold the motherboard that bit, you know, support it a little bit. Doesn't hurt. And that's pretty much the installation done. The next part is just turning the computer on and then going through the disk management, and it'll reformat it and assign it a drive ladder. So that'll be the next step. So give me a sec. Okay, the next step is quite simple. Once you've installed your hard drive, just come down to the bottom of your Windows, right click up to disk management, left click on that, and it'll pop up here. Now mine's already been formatted because I've started to use it between making the first part of the video and the second part, but it's as simple as just right clicking it, formatting it, doing a simple format, and the job is done. And it's the same with an SSD or a hard disk drive or whatever you got. It's the same procedure. So yeah, that's as simple as it. So you right click there, you would go format, and you just follow the instructions through. It's very, very easy, and don't be afraid to do it, guys and girls. So there we go. And just to double check that you do have it once you've done all that, is, you know, click on your, somebody just put us on the right screen, click on your my computer, and you'll find it'll pop up. So, and I've already stuck some stuff on there for my use. I call this my YouTube hard drive. That's what I wanted to install it for, to put some YouTube stuff on it, because I don't really want to fill up my SSD, which has got my operating system on it and a few other programs, and obviously don't want to waste too much on my drive D, which is mainly where I store most of my files and my games and stuff like that. The larger files, most games these days are like 50, it's going to be 50 gigabytes or something like that. So yes, that is it. It's as easy as it needs to be. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll hit that like button if you want. Any comments down below, I'd love to hear them. Thanks a lot. Till next time.